installed this JVC KW-R935BTS double din stereo in a 2011 Rogue, Nissan Rogue. I got it from Crutchfield. All I needed was a dash kit that I got with it, a wiring harness, an antenna adapter, and I also did get the Cirrus tuner to go along with it to have the Cirrus radio hooked up. It's got a CD player in it. It's got Pandora capability, iHeartRadio, Spotify, Bluetooth, auxiliary, AM, FM, and like I said, I got the Cirrus also attached in there. Has capability of answering your phone, and comes with a mic, which I installed right here on the dash, so you can talk while you're driving, so you can go hands-free. Got your volume knob here, and right here's your menu. You can go through, set your screen on if you want the date and time, the Cirrus channel or whatever, the channel, Cirrus channel there, the title or the artist, so you can select what you want there. It's got 11 preset equalizer settings, as you can see there. It doesn't have, you can also set your own equalizer on here, or you can set the equalizer on there. It's got a USB port here in the front, and it's also got one in the rear. It's a pretty good stereo so far. Right here's your CD player, or your CD insert, your eject button, and so far it's been, it seems like it's a pretty good stereo. But that's about it. You can also change the lighting settings, I guess, to a few different settings, and that'll change, and when you turn the volume up, I believe they change with it also. But there you go. Thanks a lot.